Hello students, welcome back to the class. In the previous video, we were studied about the binary operation. Today we will discuss about the properties of the binary operation. Properties of the binary operation. The first property is commutative. The binary operation means we are taking two elements from this set and we are calculating or we are doing the operate depending on the function, right? So the commutative property means again you have to take two elements from one set, if it is satisfying A star B which is equal to B star A, where star is a function from the Cartesian product of this set to the to this set. That means you are taking two elements from the set and it will return one element, and it is satisfying this condition A star B which is equal to B star A, then this binary operation is commutative in nature. For example, I am considering one real number set, okay, and the operation is addition. Considering the operation as addition. That means I have to choose two elements from the real number set and I have to get one element, then this function addition is binary operation that we already studied in the previous video. Now let me check whether this addition is commutative or not. The addition commutative hauda alva anta check maduva. Again, first we should know the property, the condition, like to tell the star is commutative, then A star B is equal to B star A. Here the star is addition, plus symbol. So if I take any two elements from the real number set, it should satisfy A plus B which is equal to B plus A. Then only I can tell plus is or addition is commutative on the set R. Let me take any two elements from the real number set. I will take 11 and second element as 2. Okay. First I will get A plus B. Here A is 11, B is equal to 2. Right. So the answer is 13. Fine. Next I will consider B plus A. Here B is 2 and A is equal to 11. So again you are getting the same answer. Therefore A plus B is equal to B plus A for all A comma B which belongs to the real number set. Right. So addition, therefore addition is commutative on the set R. Clear? Next, I can tell multiplication also commutative under set R. Here I am considering the binary operation multiplication. Okay, so that the condition will change. Right. In the previous case, we studied about the addition, or we consider about the addition. Now the multiplication process, then the condition is like this: A into B is equal to B into A. If this condition is satisfied for all A comma B belongs to R, then multiplication is commutative on R. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇದ್ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ or we are checking the multiplication is commutative under the set R. So the star become the multiplication. Okay. Again I am considering the same number A as 11 and B as 2. Then in the left hand side, if I calculate the left hand side, it is A into B, that is equal to 11 into 2. The answer is 22. And in the right hand side, B into A is 2 into 11. Answer also 22. Therefore, in this case, in this multiplication, A into B which is equal to B into A for all A comma B which belongs to the real number set. Right. So it is satisfying this condition under the set R under the operation multiplication. R set ಅಲ್ಲಿ multiplication operation binary operation ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ A star B which is equal to B star A. Here A into B which is equal to B into A for all A comma B which belongs to the real number set. Okay, therefore we can conclude that multiplication is commutative binary operation under the set R. Can you check for the subtraction? The basic binary operation is addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, right? So can you check for the subtraction? The same set, for the same set, and I will take two elements 5 and 3. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3, and to tell subtraction is commutative, then I have to get A minus B which is equal to B minus A, right? First I am considering A minus B, that is 5 minus 3, the answer is 2, and B minus A is equal to 3 minus 5, the answer is minus 2. Now you can observe here, we are getting A minus B as plus 2 and B minus A as minus 2. Therefore, we can clearly tell that A minus B which is not equal to B minus A. Therefore, this condition fails if we are considering the subtraction, right? Therefore, subtraction is not commutative on the set R. R ಅಲ್ಲಿ subtraction commutative ಆಗಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, because A minus B is not equal to B minus A. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು A B ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ then definitely ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು that operation is not commutative in nature on depending on the set. So this is subtraction is not commutative. You can also check for the division. Division also not commutative under the on the set R. ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, A divided by B is equal to B divided by A ಆಗಬೇಕು commutative property prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ. I am considering 2 divided by 11, A has 2 which is looks like 2 by 11, right? So B by 2, 11 by 2, that is 11 by 2 is some 5 point something, here it is point something. So in the left hand side also, right hand side, the value of 2 by 11 is not equal to 11 by 2. You can write 2 by 11 is not equal to 11 by 2. Therefore, division is not commutative. Division is not commutative. These are the basic binary operations. We proved addition and subtractions are commutative on the set R. Addition and multiplication are commutative on the set R, but subtraction and division are not commutative on the set R. Okay. Next, let me check. The next example, second example. They are given star, one operation star, binary operation, which is defined as star AB, which is equal to A plus 2B. Star is a binary operation which is defined as if you are applying insert any two elements from this set R, it will return the answer as A plus 2B if A and B are two elements. ಈ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ, A plus 2B, A ಮತ್ತು B ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ. So for this you have to check whether this star is a commutative or not. To tell star is a commutative, A star B it should be equal to B star A, right? So first I will consider A star B separately. Here the A star B, so I am taking A as 3, B as 2, A as 3, B as 2, then A star B is A plus 2B by the definition, and I will replace the value of A and the value of B. This is just for the getting a better idea. Just if you are considering the alphabet only, then also you can verify. But to clear the picture, then I am taking this number A as 3 and B as 2. So it is 3 plus 4, 7. A star B, which is equal to 7 when A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2 under the binary operation star. And I am calculating B star A. Here A star B which is equal to A plus 2B, B star A is B plus 2A. ನೋಡಬಹುದು A ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A, B ಗೆ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here we are considering BA. Okay, so it become B plus 2A. And first B is 2, 2 into A is 3, that is equal to 2 plus 6, 8. Here only you can observe the right hand side are not same, therefore A star B which is not equal to B star A in this star on the relation on the real number set R. So the given operation, binary operation star AB which is equal to A plus 2B is not commutative on the set R. Okay, this is the first property, that is commutative binary operation. Now the second property is associative. Here we are taking 3 elements A, B, C is depending on the given set, and if these 3 elements is satisfied A star B star C is equal to A star B star C, then this star is commutative, is associative under the set X. Okay, the condition is A star B star C which is equal to A star B star C. Why it is important? We are considering 3 elements at a time, and okay, let me take one example. Addition under the real number set. Okay, let me check whether the addition is associative or not. So I am considering 3 elements, 2, 3 and 11. Okay, now the condition is A star in the bracket B plus C. The bracket indicates that we have to operate first which is inside the bracket. Bracket ಇರುವ operations ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು first operate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. Okay, so here A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 11. First I have to get A plus B plus C. Left hand side alliruವಾಗ star ಬದಲು plus the given binary operation is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 11 is equal to 2 plus 14 is equal to 16. Correct? Next I am getting this expression A plus B plus C. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು first A plus B, A ಅನ್ನು B ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. In the previous case we are adding first C to the element B. 2 plus 3 plus 11 is equal to 5 plus 11, answer 16. So in this case also plus or addition is associative under the set R. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Therefore A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Therefore addition is associative on the set, on the real number set R. And you can check for the multiplication also. Multiplication also associative under the real number R. And let me check for the subtraction. Now I will check for the subtraction. R cross R to R. To that I am taking 3 number 8, 5, 3, and first I have to get the expression A minus B minus C, right? The left hand side expression. Here is 8 minus B is 5 minus 3. First we have to operate the operands which is inside the bracket. In bracket ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ operand ಅನ್ನು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 8 minus 2, that's equal to 6. Now I am considering the right hand side expression, that is A minus B minus C. Here is 8, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 and minus 3 is equal to 0. Right? It's equal to 0. So you can see the huge difference between the values. Therefore, A minus B minus C, which is not equal to A minus B minus C, right? Therefore, this subtraction is not associative on the set R. Okay. Same way you can verify for the division also. Division is also not associative on the set R. Okay, this is about the properties of the binary operation. And next concept is identity element on a set. Identity element. Next concept is identity element. In any set, there is a case if you operate an element to any of this set, it will return the same element. That means, if you are considering one element B in the set A, if you operate A star B, it will return A. If you operate C star B, it will return C. If you operate E star B, it will return C. In some sets. So, at that time, you can tell that this B is the identity element on the set R. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬಿ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಆ ಬಿ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಸಿ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಎ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಇ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇ ಎ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. By the definition, write down the definition. Given a binary operation star A cross A to A, given a binary operation star A cross A to A, there exists an element E in the set A, which belongs to the set A, one element which belongs to the set A, if exists, if E is called identity element, if E is called identity element, it should satisfy A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. ಯಾವುದೇ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಸಹ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಹ if you are getting the same element, then E is a identity element. ಯಾವುದೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅಂಡ್ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇ ಆ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದು ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಎ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಎ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಸೆಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಎ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಎ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಸಹ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್, can you tell ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದು ಈಗ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ addition, we are considering the operation addition, so you have to find one element from the real number set. If you add any element to that element, it will return the added element, right? Let me take one element a. If you add that a to this element, it will return a. If you add b to the element e, it should return b. If you add c to the element e, it should return c. You have to find such element on the set R, in the set R. Here e is equal to 0. Why? If you are considering, if you are add 0 to any element, it will return the same element, right? A plus 0 is a, b plus 0 is b, c plus 0 is c. Same way, 1 by 2 plus 0 is 1 by 2, and minus 2 by minus 4 plus 0 is also minus 4. Anything, any element, if you add with the element 0 on the set R, then it will return the same element. Therefore, 0, which is belongs to the real number set, it is called identity element. If a plus 0 is equal to a or 0 plus a. Other side also now operate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, right? A plus 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, 0 plus a ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, which it will return the value as a. Therefore, 0 is the identity element under the set R. It's important. 0 is the identity element under the set R on the binary operation plus under the set R. Clear? 0 is the identity element if you are considering plus is or addition is a binary operation on the set R. And can you tell me an identity element for the multiplication? Okay. Next example, I am considering the binary operation as multiplication. Multiplication. Then you have to find one element. Such a way that if you multiply that element to any element from the real number set R, if you multiply that element to the any element from the real number set R, okay, it should return the same element which we are multiplied to the element e, right? So can you tell me one such number which belongs to the R? Yes. In this case, e is equal to 1, right? If you multiply any element to the number 1, it will return 1, isn't it? If you multiply 1 by 2 into 1, it's equal to 1 by 2, minus 180 into 1, which is equal to minus 180, minus 2.7 into 1, which is equal to minus 2.7. So you can observe, if you multiply 1 to the any element on the set R, it will return the element which is multiplied to the 1 itself. Therefore, for the multiplication binary operation, 1 is the identity element on the set R. Therefore, for multiplication, 1 is the identity element on the set R. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 identity element ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. For addition, 0 identity element. For multiplication, 1 is an identity element. And in the case of subtraction and division, you are not getting the getting an element. If you subtract that element with any element on the set R, it will return the set R, the same element. Because let me consider the subtraction. Let me take two elements, 2 and 5. Okay, 2 minus 5, which is equal to minus 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to plus 3. Here only, In this case, A into E should be equal to E into A, and that value is equal to A, then only the operation star is a binary or which contains the identity element, right? Here the condition is failed. 2 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 2 minus 5, which is not equal to 5 minus 2. In this kind of cases, you are not getting one element which is satisfying A minus E is equal to E minus A is equal to A. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಆದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ E ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. If you can check any element from the set R, you are not getting this kind of the element E which satisfy A minus E is equal to E minus A is equal to A. Therefore, subtraction is does not have the identity element on the real number set R. Same way, in the division also, the independent operation division also, you are not getting any identity element. So, for addition, the identity element is 0. For multiplication, the identity element is 1. Next concept is inverse element. Inverse element. First, I will I will discuss the definition. Okay, given any arbitrary, any binary operation star on the set A, right? If this star or this element contain the identity element, and that is E, this is the identity element on the set A. Okay, then if you are taking one element A, any arbitrary element A, for this arbitrary element, if you are getting one element B such a way that A star B is equal to B star A which is equal to E. Okay, ಒಂದು binary operation ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು identity element ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, and if you are taking one arbitrary element, ಆಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, A ಮತ್ತು B ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ and B ಮತ್ತು A ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ, you are getting the identity element from that. Okay, for example, addition ಗೆ I can tell addition on the real number set. Okay, identity element is 0, correct? Addition ಗೆ identity element 0. I am taking one element 2, and for this 2, I can substitute the B value as minus 2, because if you add A and B, 2 plus of minus 2, it will return 0. That is nothing but the identity element on the relation set R, real numbers R, right? Or if you consider B plus A also, minus 2 plus 2, it will return the identity element. So, illi for this A, we are getting one element B from the real number set, which is nothing but the inverse of A. Therefore, B is inverse of A. Illi minus 2 is inverse of plus 2 under the operation, binary operation plus. Okay, so now let me come to the definition. You are choosing one element. If there exists one more element B, if it is satisfying A star B which is equal to B star A which is equal to the identity element of the set A under the binary operation star, then B is the inverse element of A, and which is denoted by the symbol A power minus 1. So, A power minus 1 is equal to, in this case, which is minus A. Why it is so? If you think A has 2, the inverse is minus 2. A has 3, the inverse is minus 3, right? 3 plus minus 3 or minus 3 plus 3 which is equal to 0. You are getting the identity element. So, for any element A on the set R, the inverse is negative of that number. Therefore, minus A is the inverse of the element A under the binary operation plus on the real number set R. Can you find the inverse element of a real number set R on the binary operation multiplication? For multiplication, E is equal to 1. Identity element is 1. And take one number as A. If you multiply one number to that number 3, or if you multiply a 3 to that number, if it is returned the value of 1, that means the number which is multiplied to the number 3 is the inverse of 3. ಅಲ್ವಾ 3 ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕೋದು, or ಆ ನಂಬರಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಅದು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. Can you find such number? Yes, it is 1 by 3. 1 by 3, it belongs to the real number set, right? 1 by 3. If we multiply 1 by 3 to the number 3, it will return 1, and 3 to the 1 by 3, it also returns 1. Therefore, inverse of 3 is 1 by 3 under multiplication on this set R, real number set R. In general, I can tell for A inverse is equal to 1 by A. For A inverse is equal to 1 by A under the binary operation multiplication on the real number set R. Enough today. With this, we ended the first chapter of your class, that is relation and function part 2. Okay. Next we will see the next chapter, inverse trigonometric function. Thank you.